I'm Ori from Ori Roofing. We do right now whole roof installation. We're in Dayton, New Jersey. It's a one-day project. As you see right now, we're removing the last pieces of the old shingles. We already cleaned the back of the house, the side of the house. Everything goes to the dumpster right now. We're going to remove the dumpster tomorrow morning. This is a whole roof project. One day, we remove the entire shingles, remove few plywoods, install 3 new plywoods, new shingles, new vents, new ridges, and new valleys. Right now, we've got one of the team members that's installing the trims next to the shingles, next to the trims, the last pieces of shingles next to the trims. Probably in 1 hour, the project will be completed. Probably like 8 hours project from start to finish, 8 hours. Usually when we do roof project, we do it in one day to make sure that if we get a storm or if it starts raining, an accident, so we just start and finish in one day, the entire roof. But the roof looks good. We need like 2 hours just to do some cleaning, finish the last shingles. We're going to do some touch-ups on the trims. Brand new roof, as you see. This side of the roof is completed 98%. This roof is a brand new roof. Right now it's almost 4 p.m. We started this roof at 7:30 a.m. It was like old and damaged roof. All this is a brand new roof, brand new shingles, brand new pipes, vents, new ridges, new vents on top. We've got the valleys in the other side. So we've got new roofs, new plywood, new pipes, new vents, new top piece of vents, and new valleys. 8 hours from start to finish. Beautiful. This is the sixth house in this area that we did in the last few months. One day project, making sure that we do it under 9-10 hours just in case if it starts raining. So we're making sure that the weather forecast is like sunny for the entire day. And then we're bringing in between 6 to 8 roofers, everybody working as a team, removing everything. We've got the dumpster in the front of the house, everything go to the dumpster, and we're going to haul away the dumpster tomorrow morning. We're going to put all the seats back, we're going to clean, we do finally cleaning. You can hear the blower that is cleaning all the screws, the dust, everything. This side of the roof, it looks great. It's 98% completed. We still have like the other side of the roof that is probably 95% completed. We will be probably in 1 hour. We will complete the roof installation and then another 1 hour just cleaning, putting everything back. But this is how roof project should look like and be a one-day project. Everybody on the same page, the same time. It looks great. What do you think? Look at this roof. Look at the neighbors. Old 24 years roof compared to brand new roof. Lifetime warranty by GAF. I'm Ori from Ori Roofing. We are located in Princeton, New Jersey, but we also work in all Mercer County, Middlesex County, Bucks County. So we're working on a radius of maybe 50 miles. Monroe, New Jersey, West Windsor, Hillsborough, Belmead. Looking good. So we're cleaning right now the last stages. We're cleaning the gutters, we're cleaning the roof. This side of the roof is 99% completed. We've got new pipes, new vent pipes, new covers. The guys finishing this side of the roof. Now they're going to the other side of the roof. Clean work. They're installing few last nails. You see right now he removed the last pieces, just making sure there's no nails, no dirt, and then he will move forward to the next side of the house.